In this tutorial, you'll see how to find the revision history and view the revision history of a document. This might be important if you work on a document over a long period of time, or in a classroom setting if you have students collaborating and you want to see which student contributed what part of the document itself. You can do this very easily by seeing the revision history. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you look at the screen in front of you, you can see at the top there's a document called Tutorial on Word Processing. I'm going to open that document up, and you can see there's some content in there. There's some formatting and an image involved. But how do I know when the changes happened and who made those changes? So just really quickly, currently you can see that this document, Tutorial on Word Processing, is a private document, but I have invited one collaborator. So I'm going to be able to see the changes that have been made not only by myself, but the person I'm collaborating with. In order to see that, I need to go to the File menu and choose See Revision History. Once I click on that, it looks like nothing has changed, but at the very top of the screen you can see a couple things here. The first thing it says is back to editing. Notice we lost all of our tools up here to do any editing because we're literally in the revision history mode. We can cycle through each revision by going to an older one and then an older one and so on and so forth. Or we can use this drop-down menu, which, to be honest with you, is not very user-friendly. It took me a little bit to figure it out. What you do is you click on the drop-down menu and then you say Show More Detail Below. And then you have to click on the menu again and it will give you a more detailed listing of the changes that have happened. So you can see I've been working in this document just recently in the last 10 minutes. So my changes are happening pretty quickly and I'm seeing all of the revisions that are happening. So I'm just going to go through these so you can see how it shows the document being built. So here's the first thing I typed into the document, and then it shows the next change I made was a formatting change. And then I added some text. I changed some color. Added a title. I shared it out. You can see I shared it out then with someone else. And looks like they've done some editing in the format. And they added the picture that's in the document. Now, as you're doing this, as you're going through your revision history, at any time you can say revert to this one. And when you click on that, it basically now makes this the active and saved document. So perhaps you're working with someone and they made some changes that you didn't like. You can revert back to the last time that you touched it and all their work is gone. Well, not really gone, because the revision history allows you obviously to continue to go back and go to a different version of revision history. So that's how seeing at what time and who made changes to a document. It's called the revision history.